Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so happy to have you with us today for a special listening practice episode.
That's right. Today, we're going to help you improve your listening skills with real, natural conversations.
We'll speak at a normal speed, just like native speakers do in everyday life.
And don't worry, we'll also give you some tips and explanations along the way.
Before we start, if you enjoy learning English in a natural way, please like this episode, share it with your friends, and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
All right, let's get started with our listening practice.
So, I have a question for you. What did you do last weekend?
Oh, last weekend was pretty fun, actually. On Saturday morning, I woke up around 8 o'clock, had some coffee, and then decided to go for a walk in the park.
That sounds nice. Was the weather good?
Yeah, it was perfect. The sun was shining, there was a light breeze, and it wasn't too hot or too cold, just right for walking.
I love days like that. Did you go alone or with someone?
I went alone at first, but I ran into my neighbor at the park, so we ended up walking together for a bit.
Oh, that's nice. It's always fun when you bump into people you know.
Yeah, exactly. We chatted about the weather, our week, nothing too serious, just casual conversation.
That's what I like about small talk. It's easy and relaxing.
Totally. So what about you? What did you do last weekend?
Well, on Saturday, I had to run some errands. I went to the grocery store, the post office, and the bank.
Oh, so you were busy.
Yeah, but it wasn't too bad. I actually enjoy going to the grocery store. I like looking at all the fresh fruits and vegetables.
Really? I find grocery shopping kind of boring sometimes.
Well, I make it fun. I try to find new things to cook, new recipes to try.
That's a good attitude. So, did you cook anything special?
Actually, yes. On Saturday evening, I made homemade pizza.
Ooh, homemade pizza. That sounds delicious. What kind did you make?
I made a margarita pizza with fresh tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, and basil. Simple, but so good.
My mouth is watering just thinking about it. Did you make the dough from scratch?
I did. It's not as hard as people think. You just need flour, water, yeast, salt, and a little olive oil.
Impressive. I've never made pizza dough before. I always buy the ready-made kind.
You should try it sometime. It tastes so much better when it's homemade.
Maybe I will. So, what did you do on Sunday?
Sunday was my relaxation day. I stayed home, read a book, watched some TV, and just took it easy.
That sounds perfect. Sometimes we all need a day to just do nothing.
Exactly. What about your Sunday?
I visited my parents. We had lunch together and spent the afternoon talking and catching up.
That's really nice. Do you see them often?
I try to visit them at least once or twice a month. They live about an hour away, so it's not too far.
An hour is pretty close. That's good.
Yeah, I'm lucky. Some people live really far from their families.
True. So what did you have for lunch?
My mom made her famous chicken soup. It's my favorite.
Ooh, there's nothing like mom's cooking, right?
Absolutely. No restaurant can compare to my mom's chicken soup.
I feel the same way about my mom's cooking. She makes the best lasagna.
Italian?
Yep. My grandparents came from Italy, so we have a lot of Italian dishes in our family.
That's wonderful. Food traditions are so important.
They really are. They connect us to our history and our culture.
Okay, so let's pause for a moment and talk about what we just did.
Right. We just had a normal, everyday conversation about our weekends.
This is exactly the kind of conversation you'll hear native speakers having all the time.
We talked about activities, food, family, all very common topics.
And did you notice the phrases we used? Like run into someone and bump into people.
Yes, these are phrasal verbs. Run into and bump into both mean to meet someone by accident.
Exactly. We also said run some errands, which means to do small tasks like going to the store or the bank.
And take it easy means to relax and not do too much.
Right. These are all natural expressions that native speakers use every day.
So when you're listening, try to notice these phrases and add them to your vocabulary.
Okay, let's continue with another conversation.
So have you been watching anything good on TV lately?
Actually, yes. I just started watching a new series on Netflix. It's called Stranger Things. Have you seen it?
Oh, yeah, I watched that last year. It's so good. Which season are you on?
I'm still on season 1. I just started it a few days ago, so no spoilers, please.
Don't worry, I won't spoil anything, but you're in for a treat. It gets even better.
I'm already hooked. I watched 3 episodes in one night.
Oh, wow, you were binge watching.
I know, I couldn't help it. Each episode ends with a cliffhanger, so you want to keep watching.
That's exactly how I felt. I think I finished the whole first season in like 2 days.
2 days? That's intense.
I know, but once you start, it's hard to stop. The story is just so interesting.
I agree. The characters are great too. I really like the kids in the show.
Yeah, they're amazing actors for being so young, and the 80s setting is really cool.
I love the 80s vibe. The music, the clothes, the hairstyles. It's all so nostalgic.
Do you remember the 80s?
Not really. I was born in the late 80s, so I was just a baby. But my parents tell me stories about it.
Same here. I wasn't around then either, but it seems like it was a fun time.
Yeah, no smartphones, no social media, just kids playing outside and having adventures.
That's what I love about the show. It reminds us of a simpler time.
Exactly. Anyway, I should probably stop talking about it and go watch more episodes.
Be careful, you might stay up all night.
I might. So what are you watching these days?
I've been watching a cooking show called The Great British Bake Off.
Oh, I've heard of that. Is it good?
It's amazing. It's so relaxing to watch. People bake beautiful cakes and pastries, and there's no drama, just friendly competition.
That sounds nice. Most competition shows are so stressful to watch.
I know, right? But this one is different. Everyone is so nice to each other, and they help each other out.
That's refreshing. Maybe I should check it out.
You should. It's perfect for watching before bed. It puts you in a good mood.
Okay, let's pause again and review some vocabulary.
Good idea. So we use the phrase, no spoilers, please. What does that mean?
A spoiler is when someone tells you what happens in a movie or TV show before you watch it.
Right. So no spoilers means don't tell me what happens.
Exactly. We also said you're in for a treat. This means something good is going to happen.
Yes. And hooked means you're really interested in something and can't stop.
Right, like I'm hooked on this show means I love this show and I want to keep watching.
And binge watching means watching many episodes in a row.
Yes, it's very common these days with streaming services like Netflix.
We also used cliffhanger. That's when an episode ends at an exciting moment, so you want to watch the next episode immediately.
Exactly. And I'll add it to my list means I'll remember to watch it later.
Great. Those are all useful phrases for talking about TV shows and movies.
Let's do one more conversation. This time, let's talk about plans for the future.
Sounds good. So, do you have any plans for next month?
Actually, yes. I'm planning to take a short vacation. I'm thinking about going to the mountains.
Oh, that sounds wonderful. Are you going alone or with someone?
I'm going with a friend. We both love hiking, so we want to spend a few days on the trails.
That's great. I love hiking too. Which mountains are you going to?
We're thinking about the Blue Ridge Mountains. Have you been there?
No, but I've heard they're beautiful. Lots of scenic views and fresh air.
Yeah, that's what I've heard too. I'm really looking forward to it.
How long will you be gone?
Just 4 or 5 days. We're leaving on a Friday and coming back the following Tuesday.
Perfect. That's enough time to relax, but not too long to be away from work.
Exactly. I wish I could stay longer, but I have too much work right now.
I understand. Sometimes a short break is better than nothing.
That's what I'm thinking. Even a few days in nature will recharge my batteries.
Absolutely. There's something about being in nature that just makes you feel better.
I agree. No noise, no traffic, just peace and quiet.
Are you going to camp or stay in a hotel?
We're going to stay in a cabin. It's a small place, but it has everything we need. A bed, a kitchen, and a nice porch.
That sounds perfect. You can make your own meals and enjoy the view from the porch.
That's the plan. We're going to cook simple meals and just enjoy being away from the city.
I'm a little jealous. I need a vacation too.
Why don't you plan something?
I'm thinking about it. Maybe I'll take a trip to the beach in a few months.
Oh, the beach. That sounds amazing. I love the ocean.
Me too. There's something so relaxing about listening to the waves.
And walking on the sand and swimming in the water, it's all so refreshing.
Yeah, I'm definitely going to plan something soon.
You should. We all need a break sometimes.
You're right. Life is too short not to take vacations.
Exactly.
All right, everyone. That's it for today's listening practice.
We hope you enjoyed listening to our natural conversations.
Remember, the more you listen to real English, the better your listening skills will become.
And don't worry if you didn't understand everything. That's completely normal.
You can listen to this episode again and again. Each time you'll understand more.
And try to notice the phrases and expressions we use, write them down, and practice them.
Exactly. Active listening is the key to improvement.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
We create new episodes every week to help you learn real, everyday English.
And leave a comment below. Tell us, which conversation did you enjoy the most? What topics do you want us to talk about next?
Yeah, we love hearing from you.
All right, everyone. Thanks so much for listening.
Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep believing in yourself.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.